Hey guys, welcome back once again to another of my videos. Today I'm outside filming this intro, which is so weird that I'm doing this outside, but I'm kind of digging it. So today I'm going to show you everything that goes on behind the perfect Instagram photo in my feed. I'm going to show you everything from why I do a makeup a certain way, why I use these certain types of earrings, how I pose, like tips on how to pose. If you're interested in all that, please make sure to keep on watching, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So what I like to do before taking some Instagram photos is to do my makeup, because it makes me feel more confident and it gets me in the mood to like pose for Instagram pictures. But you don't have to do it if you don't want to. Remember that you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't need makeup to feel confident, to look beautiful, but that's just my preference. Another tip is to make an effort and spend some time doing your hair. When I feel like my hair is pretty, it doesn't matter if I'm wearing makeup or not, because I instantly feel put together when I'm having a good hair day. Like, I don't know about you guys, but that's just me. And something that I actually started implementing lately is to wear some hair accessories to give your hair a little something something and not have it like looking plain. The third tip that I actually want to share with you guys is for my big hair girls out there. As you notice, like my hair is like super curly and super big, so if I want to like show off my earrings, I can't. And a tip for that is to wear like hoop earrings or like big earrings in general, just because that way like your hair doesn't come in the way or hides it. So that's a pro tip. Another tip that I have for you is to wear colorful outfits. I'm personally a big fan of wearing cute and colorful pieces because it makes me stand out from like the background that I choose to take the photos in, and because I love wearing colors in general. So I guess it also depends on your style, but that's just my tip. Another tip that I have for you guys is to take photos in the outdoors, just because I feel like the lighting is so much better than just taking photos indoors. And I also love like being in nature when I'm taking like my pictures. It makes me like feel more connected to the world. Like, call me crazy, but that's just me. So guys, another tip that I have for you is that when taking an Instagram photo, make sure that you're taking the photo from like a central angle and not just like from a low point of view or like a high point of view, because if you do that, it makes you look like either like a bubble head, and it doesn't look like that good because your body like seems like smaller than it is and your head is like so much bigger. So if you take it from like a central point of view, like everything looks proportionate. Another of my tips is to take photos in a portrait size and not a landscape one. This is because if you take it on a portrait size and upload it on Instagram, when people scroll through their feed and reach your photo, the image takes a large part of the screen, which makes it easier for your followers to not skip it because they see it clearly, and it also increases the watch time, which I'm guessing is an important part of the Instagram algorithm. But if you take it on a landscape size, the photo is actually smaller and people might miss it, and obviously you don't want that. So one of the last tips that I have for you guys is for when you're trying to find the perfect pose for that Instagram picture, and all I have to say is to make your pose look as natural as possible. Don't go for the typical hands on your waist and a forced smile. I think the most eye-catching photos are just when people incorporate movement into them or act spontaneous. One thing that I also wanted to add is perfect if you feel kind of uncomfortable, shy, or stiff when taking Instagram photos, and this could be solved by taking a prop with you, whether it is a flower, a lollipop, or bag, just something that might help you act more you. So guys, that's it for my Instagram 101 or how to Instagram video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it and received like lots of good tips. If you want me to do like more of these types of video of like how to Instagram and stuff, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so I'll know that you guys loved watching it. And also make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and of course following me on Instagram. I'll put like the little thing right here. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!